A new warning today about a spike in measles cases. KTLA 5's Corrine Winter live in Hollywood with more on the outbreaks that are mainly impacting children. Good morning, Corrine.
Lou, good morning. Well, the good news so far is that there have been no reported cases of measles here in California, but that's not the case across the country, where the virus has been popping up places like Pennsylvania, also Georgia. Now, this is a highly contagious virus, and you mentioned the CDC putting out that alert to basically have the public know that if you haven't been vaccinated, maybe it's time to reconsider that because of these cases that they are seeing. Since December, nearly 24 cases of measles have been reported. What are some of the factors? Well, they say international travel, along with a drop in global vaccination rates, especially following the pandemic. Those who are unvaccinated are traveling from the U.S. to countries where the disease is still prevalent, and they get infected, they bring it back to the U.S., where they're spreading the virus to other unvaccinated individuals. According to that CDC alert, most of the measles cases were among children and also adolescents who had not received a measles containing vaccine, even if age eligible. Here in Los Angeles, measles vaccinations are required in public schools, but there's no mandate for private schools. It's not just the younger population. Outbreaks have occurred in some states and homeless encampments, so that's also another area of concern. Symptoms include a fever, cough, severe rash, and upper respiratory issues.
It is highly contagious. 9 out of 10 people who are susceptible and exposed to measles will get measles. So checking to make sure vaccinations are up to date in people who live in crowded situations. Homeless encampments, dorms, people who are living together, they all need to get their vaccine status updated.
And one thing that was really important that physician pointed out is that just because right now there are no reported cases here of measles in Los Angeles or California, the doctor said that, sometimes the data is lagging or, the statistics don't go back that far, those numbers. So she said that the reporting could be from back in December before this was actually tabulated, maybe even in November during the busy travel period. So there could be cases here that have not been reported that we're not seeing yet. So to still, of course, take this seriously. If there's anyone out there who doesn't know if they've been vaccinated and they really want to make sure they have protection against this virus, she says it's easy. You can simply get a blood test, and that will show if you have any antibodies. That's the latest here in Hollywood. Corrine Winter, KTLA 5 News.